नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is day 2 of daily English speaking practice for 5 minutes. So today it was a good day. I woke up at around 6 a.m. and then I had lemon water, uh, lukewarm water, in which I added some lemon juice, and then I had it. So morning was quiet. Uh, I did some study in the morning, and then in the morning I went through the newspaper as well. I read the Hindu newspaper, in which the major news items were related to India EU trade deal. India and European Union have signed a trade deal, which is they are calling as uh, mother of all trade deal. So far, India has signed FTA in the last, I think, in 1 or 2 years with 8 countries, including Australia, uh, and uh, I think there was one agreement with New Zealand also, UAE. So, but this trade deal is special. uh, India has also, I think, concluded a trade deal with United Kingdom as well. So this trade deal is significant, as negotiation were going on about this trade deal for the last 2 decades, and the point of contention were automobile and liquor sector. From India side, agriculture sector and dairy sector have been kept out of the free tariff that will be otherwise imposed on other goods, while other strategic sector from UK side as well has been kept out of this trade deal. So from UK side, around 99.5% of all the goods that UK import from India will be tax free, while around 97.5% goods that UK export to India will also be tax free. So this deal is significant, as UK contribute, European Union contribute around 47, around 12% of total trade that India do with other countries. So I went through this news. Other than that, there was one article related to recent fire incident in West Bengal, and the article was about kind of teaching Indians, government are not, or businesses are not, then the lesson they are not learning from the similar accident in the past as well. So the writer was also in editorial. The writer mentioned that the Bengal government, even the CM, the Banerjee, has also not visited the site because the elections are approaching. Other than that, there were some other news related to ongoing conflict in Ukraine, between Ukraine and Russia. While so, but yeah, and there is one recent news related to issue related to UGC, University Grant Commission rules that government has updated. The recent uproar is related to the 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 exclusion of general category students from the final draft. So the demand is that discrimination can also happen with the students from general category as well. So it is not correct to include only SC, ST, and OBC students in the draft, against whom any discrimination can happen. So government has Indian Education Minister has confirmed that there will not be any discrimination against any caste, and the bill is neutral to all the members of our society. So, guys, this was the today's English speaking session, and I have spoken around more than 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So I hope by doing this session, these are going to really help me, and this session will also motivate you uh, to improve your English. Alongside with this speaking session, you can also read newspaper or read English books as well, which will help to build the vocabulary. Today, I think one or two words I learned, but I have forgotten them now. So yeah, that way I will continue to speak, and let's see how effective my communication becomes. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.